Namaste children. Let us discuss sixth lesson in 7th class social studies is Africa. Today in this video we would like to discuss European colonies. In this session we would like to discuss why European countries occupied the colonies in Africa. Why European countries occupied the colonies in Africa. About that we are going to discuss in this session. Before Christopher Columbus discovered America continent, Europeans were not aware about America continent. After Christopher Columbus discovered America continent in the year 1492, many Europeans settled in American continent and occupied plenty of agricultural land and started cultivation. Though they have plenty of cultivatable land, but there was not enough people to work in agricultural land. So Americans bought African slaves from the European companies. These Americans made the African slaves to work in the agricultural land for long hours, and they didn't provide proper food and living quarters. As a result, the African slaves worked in American agricultural land. As they didn't get proper food to eat, as they didn't get sufficient time to sleep, African slaves become weakened. They become tiredness. They suffered under illness. With their illness, the African slaves worked slowly. These Americans tortured them, harassed them, beaten them, punished them. These Americans oppressed the slaves. These Americans treated the slaves inhumanly, cruelly, badly. Thus, African slaves bore the torture of Americans. One day, the African slaves couldn't bear the torture of Americans. They did a movement against the American government to put the end of slavery system. American government responded the movement did by African slaves. In the year 1860, African slaves were declared free citizens of America. In the year 1860, American government declared African slaves were free citizens in America. The slave trade was ended. The slave trade was ended in 19th century. After the end of slave trade, it was not necessary for Europe countries to come to Africa to capture slaves. Then why European countries occupied the colonies in Africa? After the end of slave trade, it was not necessary for Europeans to come to Africa to capture the slaves. Then why Europeans occupied the colonies in Africa? Why? The raw material required for European industries is not available in the country, it is available in India. The raw material required for European industries is not available in European country, it is available in India. For the purpose of raw material, Europeans decided to reach India around Africa continent. Europeans decided to reach India for the purpose of raw material. When Europeans reached India around Africa continent, these Europeans used to halt the ships at African port. These Europeans used to halt the ships at African port. When Europeans halt the ships at African port, they came to know this Africa has more timber. Africa has plenty of timber, plenty of valuable minerals like copper, tin, coal, gold, diamond. Slowly, the Portuguese, Dutch, English, French, Germans explored the interior part of the continent. They traveled. These Europeans traveled to the source of Nile in the north and explored the entire valley of river Nile. And these Europeans explored to the river Niger on the west and explored the entire valley of Niger. From Niger, Europeans traveled to the south and explored the entire valley of Congo. From Cape of Good Hope, that is South Africa, from Cape of Good Hope, that is South Africa, the Europeans traveled to the north and explored the entire valley of River Zambezi and came to know that Africa has. Thus, Europeans came to know the Africa country has plenty of timbers and minerals like gold, diamond, coal, tin, copper. The largest golden mines in the world found at Witwatersrand, South Africa. The largest gold mine in the world is found at Witwatersrand in South Africa. The largest diamond mines found in Kimberley in South Africa. The priceless mines of copper found at Zambia and Zimbabwe. That is, Zambia and Zimbabwe are the largest producer of copper. Yes, they came to know the Africa continent has plenty of timber and plenty of gold, diamond, coal, tin, copper. Because of this reason, Europeans occupied the colonies in Africa. Europeans colonies in Africa. After Europeans occupied the colonies in Africa, they exploited African timber to their country. They after occupying the colonies in Africa, European countries exported the African timber in large scale to the European countries. They also exported gold from gold mines at Witwatersrand. They also exported diamond and Kimberley mines in South Africa in large scale. They also exported coal and tin from Africa continent to the country at large scale. Okay, priceless mines of copper found at Zambia and Zimbabwe, that is Zambia and Zimbabwe are the largest producer of copper in Africa continent. These Europeans exported the copper large scale to the country. Thus, European countries become richer and richer. These Europeans didn't stop with exporting these minerals like timber, gold, diamond, copper, coal, tin. They also converted forest land into plantations and grown tea, coffee, rubber, tobacco. That also they exported to the European countries. Thus, European countries become richer and richer. Now, let us show me the map and discuss what are the European countries occupied the colonies in Africa. Let me explain the African colonies occupied by the Europeans in 1913. What were the two countries in Africa continent were not colonized by the Europeans? Do you know the answer, children? Yeah. One is Ethiopia country, other one is Liberia country. Ethiopia and Liberia were the two countries were not colonized, were not occupied by the Europeans. Let me say the African colonies occupied by the British. Let me say the African colonies colonized by British in 1913. Egypt, Sudan, South Sudan, Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Nigeria, Ghana were the African colonies occupied or colonized by Britain in the year 1913. What were the African colonies occupied or colonized by France, Morocco, Algeria, Martina, Mali, Niger, Chad, Central African Republic, Gabon, Madagascar were the African colonies colonized by France in 1913. What were the African colonies colonized by Belgium? What were the African colonies occupied by Belgium? Democratic Republic of Congo, were the African colonies colonized by Belgium in 1913. What were the African colonies colonized by Germany? What were the African colonies colonized by Germany? Cameroon and Tanzania. Cameroon and Tanzania were the African colonies colonized by Germany. What were the African colonies colonized by Italy? Libya, Eritrea, Somalia. Libya, Eritrea, Somalia were the African colonies occupied or colonized by Italy. What were the African colonies occupied by Portugal? Angola, Mozambique. Angola, Mozambique were the African colonies occupied or colonized by Portugal in the year 1913. Children, so far we discussed the African colonies occupied by the Europeans in 1913. So far we discussed why European countries occupied the colonies of Africa. Why? For the purpose of timber and minerals like gold, diamond, coal, tin, copper. For the purpose of valuable minerals, for the purpose of raw materials, Europeans colonized the colonies of Africa. Children, so far we discussed why Europeans occupied the colonies in Africa. I hope you understand this topic. Before seeing this video, first read the topic from the textbook. Then you see this video, you will understand very much better. Otherwise, we will rectify doubts in Zoom session very clearly. Thank you for watching my videos, children. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.